years, I worked in Bangalore for the medical device manufacturing. And then later, I joined a service-based industry in Madurai. So once I joined the service-based industry, then I realized how I need to upkeep my my skill set and those stuffs. Then I came to know that PMP is the right certification for my job role. So I plan to do the PMP certification. Then I checked with my friends. Then they suggested you don't go anywhere. You go to INFOCAREER. Then rest they will be taking care of it. You just follow that. He particularly mentioned your name. You just follow GLS Sir words. That's it. You will be PMP. That's what he said. I joined in the year in September or August 2021. At the time of completing your that PDUs, that 45 hours of PDUs, by that time itself, I was very confident, like I can go ahead and do the exam. Then I did a little practice, and then I was confident. But due to some personal things, I'm unable to get into exam, and it was keep on postponing it. But I always remember your word. Project is always run in constraint. It is not applicable only for the project. It even for our personal thing also. So we have to operate in the constrained way. So that word keep on ringing in my ear. So that motivated me to take exam even after these many gaps. That's the key thing behind the gap. The one thing I want to tell in a particular thing is like your ICleaf and the R2PS are the key thing for my clearing the exam, sir.
Okay.
That and your words, of course, that's the top one, because when I get into, this is my second attempt. This time I went to the exam hall with very confident, and your words and the sessions, whatever you have taken, it was keep on ringing in my ear. So I was very confident this time, and to my surprise, I completed my exam 25 minutes before. I'm really I wondered. I mean, it gave me a little shock. Whether I did all the questions right or not. So that's really shocking to me, because it is only because of your ICleaf and your session and your wordings that made me to clear this PMP exam, sir. And to be very frank, I haven't touched any book for sure. I used only R2PS and ICleaf questions, and the great explanation you have given in each and every question. So that made me to clear this PMP exam. That too about target in all the three domains. R2PS, it's crisp and depth, which is more than enough for the PMP exam, sir. That your session and then the guidance, especially the maturity diagrams, and then the print, like the blueprint, whatever you have given to us, that the link between the process areas and then the knowledge group. I mean, process group and then the knowledge areas. So that itself, it's more than enough, sir. What I did is on the exam day, I just took that printout and I was just go through that one only. I didn't touch anything. That itself, it's more than enough. And ICleaf, I registered. I mean, the last 1 month preparation only. Like on 6th of March, I registered for the ICleaf and the R2PS for 1 month access, and I took exam on 11th April. So that 1 month only, I dedicated myself, and I learned each and everything, whatever given in the ICleaf. That made me, sir. That made me to clear the PMP exam. So it's more than enough. I would say, because above target, it's not an easy thing. If we take from the, if I read the book, maybe I will get the knowledge, but I'm not sure about getting the PMP exam. But your R2PS gave me a knowledge, and your session that is beyond. I mean, it is not only for my project; it is for myself also. I will improve my the way I handling the things, that really improved. Yes, sir. It gave me very clarity, like earlier how I used to see any negative things or anything get delayed in my. I mean, say for example, whatever we are planning in our personal life, it will not happen one way or other. It going to stop or something. But earlier, I used to get frustrated, or I may down or something like that. But after reading the project management, you know, okay, why? Then I started thinking why it is happening, what made what I did wrong to I end up this situation. So it made me to think like that, and then I'm correcting myself. So it is really helping me in a personal way also, sir. Just follow your words, and the ICleaf questions, and dedicate their time, sir. That's more than enough. If they give the time, then PMP is just byproduct of that. That's it. Uh, Actually, I would say like journey is not ended here. I just began from 2021 with you. So I mean, I'm miles to go with you. I would like to travel more with you and your team. So I would say this part of my journey, it was really good, and it was more exciting. I mean, I want to make a special mention to your supporting team also, because they were continuously following with me, because whenever I was keep on postponing my exam date. When I saw your team's message, then it make me to, okay, Gokul, you are doing something wrong. See, I mean, if you are not doing your part, someone is getting affected, because they continuously followed with us, and it it motivated me also, sir, because sir, when are you going to complete the exam? Because you already registered so and so date, so it is when are you planning it? So it was really helpful for me also, sir. I mean, maybe for some, I mean, others, I don't know how they are going to take it, but for me, it is really helpful for me. Before, then I don't know whether I want to click that button or not, but I was confident. This time I was very confident that I'm going to clear the exam. But that 25 minutes gap, I mean, I didn't notice, as you said, like every 25 minutes you want to check the timer. I checked for the first 25 minutes, but to me, if I see the timer, it was a little. I mean, for every question we have to think a lot, right? So if I saw the timer, it made me another. I mean, it may create a little pressure. So that's why for the first 50 questions only, I saw the timer. Then I saw that I'm on track. Then I stopped there. Then at 160th question, then I saw the timer. Then I thought, I mean, I had more time there. Then then of the last 25 minutes, I kept, I mean, in the last 5 minutes only, I just submitted, sir. I closed my eyes, literally. I closed my eyes, and then I opened it. I saw the message like, congratulations. Oh my God. First thing I mean, I'm not saying since you are on the video call, first thing I said is thanks to InfoCareer and then user, because without you and your wordings and your support, it is not at all possible, for sure. I mean, it may take years together to complete that, but you made me. It took only 1 month of practice, sincere and dedicated practice. 1 month. Then I'm here now.